Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Chevrolet Colorado. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as aftermarket light bar, tonneau cover, as well as heated leather and cloth seats, as well as 18-inch alloy wheels, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this two-tone finish here on the bottom. We're going to have storage and cup holders as well. You have a Bose speaker sound system, so you're going to have those on the bottom. You're going to have this carbon finish there with the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows as well. Like the seats, you're going to have the hybrid cloth and leather, both heated, very comfortable, power and manually adjustable. Of course, on the left side here, we're going to have the light bar control. As you can see there on the left here, we're going to have our trailer brake as well as our lighting and 2- and 4-wheel drive. It's going to come equipped with the locking rear differential as well. Onto the steering wheel on the left, we're going to have our cruise control. On the right side, on the right, we're going to have our voice recognition and our odometer cluster control as well. We're going to have a trip A, trip B, fuel range, as well as instant fuel economy, oil life, and of course our tire pressure. Here on the center, we're going to have our infotainment system with our OnStar navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as you can access your rear camera, as well as your hitch guidance. You can also access My Chevrolet and other apps as well. On the bottom there, you're just going to have your dual zone climate control, as well as your hill descent, and of course your trailer control. You're going to have your heated seats there. You're going to have a USB port and a 12-volt DC port. Just a classic Colorado shifter with cup holder and storage, as well as extra storage and USB port inside the center console. You're going to have that same finish on the passenger side. Same with the doors. You're going to have your speakers up top as well. OnStar services and your SOS in the mirror, as well as your reading lamps and your sunglass case holder. So it's going to be these 17-inch blacked out alloy wheels. It's the midnight edition, so it's going to be blacked out. You're going to have these new plastic fenders on there with the paint match mirror cap and keyless entry door handle. You're also going to have a backflip tonneau cover. You're going to have your black badging as well, and your trailer hitch and your fifth wheel just under. Backup camera and easy lift gate with tons of extra tow hooks inside. Very spacious rear. To the rear, it's going to have that same style, speakers on the bottom as well as cup holder and storage, just with the power windows in the back. Here we're going to have some leg room, storage behind the passenger seat, as well as USB ports in the back and a 12-volt DC port, as well as a rear sliding window, cup holder and armrest. You're going to have your lamps up top and handles on the side, and there is a little lever here to lift up the seat, so you're going to have storage under there as well. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2018 Chevrolet Colorado. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as aftermarket light bar, 17-inch alloy wheels, trailer tow package with integrated brake controller and locking rear differential, midnight edition, so blacked out badging, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.